Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set up fingerprint signing method in HP laptop. Okay, I'm using my HP laptop with Windows 11 OS. So how to set up it is very simple. You can simply click on your start menu, then go to settings. Okay, otherwise you can press Windows key and I for opening settings page. Then go to account section. Okay, here you can see option of signing options. Click that. Then you can see option of facial recognition. Second one is fingerprint recognition by Windows Hello. So click that, and you can see here use your fingerprint to sign in Windows apps and services. So click on setup. Then you will get this Windows Hello option. Click here, get started. Okay, you can see that your device just go to more personal. So goodbye, say to goodbye to entering complex passwords. So click on get started. Then you can see there is a message, touch the fingerprint sensor. So if you are connected your fingerprint sensor, just tap on that. Otherwise in some kind of laptop uh, with dedicated fingerprint on its keyboard or after the keyboards. Okay, so I am going to touch my fingerprint sensor once, then it will be start recognition. Okay, after clicking that you can see here they start recognizing. So in this way you can simply add your fingerprint to your HP laptop. Then after completing, then you can simply create a pin in case of your fingerprint is not working. You can use that pin to enter to your Windows laptop. So that is an option. I'm not completing this because it will take some time to complete this, so I'm not doing that. So in this way, this is the method. In the next page you can simply see another two options like add another finger. That means you can same time add multiple fingers in your laptop. Then you can make a new pin too if in case this fingerprint sensor is not working. You can use that backup pin for sign into your Windows. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.